Hi guys, this is Rals and welcome to another episode of Inside Jungle. Today I want to speak to you about one of my new favorite plants, inside plants, and this is called, the common name of this plant is Flaming Katy. Now, it's not too flaming right now, at least not my flower, because the flowers are drying out and falling, as you can see. But let me see if I can touch a flower for you and zoom in. This is Flaming Katy, guys, and why I love it so much, because it's a very hardy plant. I would have never believed it, because many years ago I used to have one and she didn't like me, or she didn't like the environment for some reason. It just died on me and I was so scared to purchase another one. Now this plant story, it's a little bit different. I didn't buy it, I have to be very honest. My husband saw it super flaming in a pot outside our door. It belongs to one of our neighbors. We don't know which neighbor because nobody's claiming the plants anymore, and cleaning lady is the one watering them. And it's a huge pot, and the flower needs a repotting, desperately needs a repotting. And my husband said, look, nobody's taking care of this flower, why don't we take a branch and try to see if it's gonna give us roots, and then we repot it. I said, no, don't take any branch, this is called stealing, I don't like it. No, it's not called stealing, look at it, the branches are breaking with flowers. So I came home, I said, I don't want to know, I don't want to see. And he joyfully came back with this stem over here. And we put it into a pot of water with some dirt. Actually, it was already a pot prepared for another plant, or aquascape or terrarium or something like that. But I just dipped it in that pot, a bit of water, a bit of dirt, and a few weeks later it gave us roots, and I repotted it and it's just thriving. It gives me new shoots over here, and it gives me a new shoot over there. Now, in the process of taking it and putting into that jar of water, I had to remove the lower leaves. Why? Because otherwise they would have just rot. So what I did, I removed the lower leaves off this Flaming Katy branch over here, and I just put them into this little jar, hoping the leaves will not die. I just hoped to save them. I never imagined that the leaves will give me roots. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. They give me roots, guys. Can you imagine that? So not only that I saved the leaves, I'm so excited, I'm losing my words, but look, I will have 2 new Flaming Katy plants just because I dipped into the water 2 leaves. Oops. What do you say about this? Aren't you excited? Well, I am very excited. Maybe because I gave them love as well, and maybe because I gave them this little cute jar full of water and love. Maybe you're wondering what I have in the other jar. I have 1, 2, 3 calamansi seedlings. They are my not so doing good calamansi seedlings, not so doing well. They were in such a poor shape when I put them into the water. They are surviving, I would say. They got a bit more lush green color, and I'm trying to give them a little bit of nutrients in the water as well, a little bit of fertilizer every 2 weeks. But more than that, I'm not doing anything with them, because in a pot of soil they were not doing well, although I was fertilizing them. So I'm hoping to save them by keeping them in the water. Maybe at one moment they're gonna kick in and give me new leaves, and at that time I'm gonna repot them. So I hope you like not the stealing part of the story, but I hope you like the surviving lesson of Flaming Katy. And keep in mind that this plant is hardy. It might look fragile. It's not. It's amazing. I love it. You can easily recognize it by the flowers. They have flaming color, although they can come in other shades as well. They can come in shades of red, they can be orange, yellow, or even purple. My grandma actually has one. I'm gonna try to take a video next time I'm gonna visit her, that has multiple layers of petals. It's so gorgeous. It's even more gorgeous than this one. Like super many layers of petals. It looks very nice, and that color and that variety is purple. You can also recognize it by its leaves. Let me zoom in on them. Yes, as you can see, they look and they feel sort of fleshy. I cannot explain you better than the texture, that just it feels fleshy. And you just need to give it water. I water it maybe once a week, not more than that. But I also monitor how dry the soil is. I'm just gonna stick a finger in the soil and like 1 centimeter down the surface. If it's still moist, I'm not gonna water it. If it's not moist, if it's dry, I am gonna water it. In this way I prevent root rot, and so far she's doing well. She's doing well. Can't wait for new little shoots to give me flowers eventually. And probably this weekend I'm going to pot these 2 leaves, and they are gonna transform into new plants. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. And because I'm here, let me show you my inside jungle of calamansi, or calamondin, or citrus if you may. This is just a small update, just to make you curious, so you will watch my calamansi videos. Guys, thanks for watching. Happy planting, green thumbs, please like and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.